If your private part like vagina, underarm, elbow, then this video is for you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Neetu Singh. Today we will know how to keep your private part clean. Must watch this video till the end. Before that, get some knowledge you. Friends, what if your private part are not off and the smell will come? So we can get many type of diseases because of which we may have to go to doctor. If you do not want to go to doctor, then you have to keep your private part clean. Well, there are many type of products available in the market, but you won't get much difference from them. This recipe was adopted to avoid diseases. So let's start the video. So here I have it. So you do have to take the Colgate paste or Colgate salt. The second ingredient is lemon and the third ingredient is turmeric. So you have put a little more turmeric on the lemon and paste. So it has to be applied in circular motion. I am showing you by the elbow. So you have to apply it like this for 10 minutes. The job of these three is to make your private part clean and fair. So you have to do the weekly 2 times. So after 10 minutes you have to remove it, lukewarm water. After cleaning it, you have to moisturize. If you do this 2 or 3 times a weekly, then your skin will be start falling in repair. Friends will definitely tell you how did you like this video in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.